Good day traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video we are going to be doing video about the best time frames that you can use to get perfect entry points. So as you guys already know, firstly what you're going to do, you're going to start on H4. So from H4 you go to H2, then you go to H1, then 30 minutes and 15 minutes. That's where you'll get your sniper entries. So let me delete this, dive into the chat so we can start analyzing. So let's go to H4. So you guys, as you know, I hope that you saw from my last video. Start firstly, you identify what your last candlestick before the impulse. You identify period of structure. Okay, so let's dive into the H2. Let me plot this thing here. Okay, so you guys must have this in your mind. Start from H4, H2, H1, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. That's where you get your sniper entries. So this is what I have for you for next deck. Because if I have a gap that might be filled there, because we have a touch there. Let me fix this. Okay, it's fixed. Let me draw this. Let me use this tool to highlight that we might bounce back here. Market might bounce and to fill because of, due to my knowledge, the gap has been filled. The gap has been filled. So market has to react to that. So it tapped there, has to pull back. So let me draw my trend line liquidity there. First touch, second touch, third touch. Okay, trend line liquidity. My second trend line liquidity. Okay. So this is what I have for next deck. What might happen for this week? So here we have what? US 30. So let's dive into H4. Okay, H4. So firstly we are going to locate what? Our break of structure, the previous higher high. Break of structure. Okay. Then my previous lower low. I mean, is it my lower low or my lower high? I don't know. But between those. Okay, let's go to H2. Okay, take my rectangle box there. Plot my last candlestick before the drop. Funded area. Okay, because of market has to pull back to fill the gap that was left there. So I can see that the real market is pulling back. It's really pulling back to test that level and bounce back. That's due to the knowledge that I have. So we might start from there to there. H1. Okay, let me resize this. Let me fix. And again guys, you guys have to, let's say you go from H2 to H1, I mean your zone won't be the same. The zone that we have on H2 won't be the same as the zone that we have on H1. So you must always be ready to fix. Be ready to fix, because of you will be having different candlesticks on your zone. Okay, H4. So here we have gold. We have gold here. break of structure. Copy. Okay, that's my second break of structure. Even though they are far, but they are still valid. Okay, let's dive into the lowest time frame. We'll dive soon. I see something here, break of structure there. Let me draw my break of structure here. My second one there. Okay, each one. Okay, let me take my rectangle box. I might use my rectangle box here to plot, because I see something here, but market did touch here. It did really tap this, so market has pulled back to fill the gap that was left actually. So it has filled the gap that was left. So that's what we have here on the lowest time frame. Okay, let me extend this, make sure that it's proper. I just did well. Okay, nice. So from here to there, so you guys must know the best time frame to use starts from the highest time frame, which is H4, H2, H1. Then you use 30 minutes and 15 minutes for your sniper entries. So if you have that in your mind, then you are ready for anything. You are ready to face anything. Okay, so this is what we have for gold on the lowest time frame here. Market has filled the gap that was left. So best time frames, don't forget here. Okay, H4, copy, H2. So I made a mistake here. Let me fix my mistake here. H2, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So those are the best time frames that you have to use, guys. Don't forget, for H2, H1, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So those are the best time frames that you have to use to get your best entry points ever. So you guys, I hope you guys will like, share, and turn on that notification bell that you guys will get notified